Hey everyone! So today I'm showing you how to copy and paste multiple items at the same time on Windows. This is a super useful feature that most people don't even know exists. So let's dive right in. Alright, first thing you need to do is open your Windows settings. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and then typing Settings, or just click on the Start menu and select the Settings icon. Now, in the search bar at the top, type Clipboard Settings and click on it when it appears. This will take you directly to the clipboard options. Okay, here's the thing. You'll see an option that says Clipboard History. Just toggle that switch to turn it on. Once it's enabled, Windows will start saving everything you copy. Now, here's where the magic happens. Whenever you want to paste something, instead of just pressing Ctrl and V, press the Windows key and V key together. This will open up your clipboard history with all the items you've recently copied. And boom! You can see all your copied text, images, and other items right here. Just click on whichever one you want to paste, and it'll insert it wherever your cursor is. And that's it. Super easy way to boost your productivity on Windows. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.